Hi guys, this is Mariama. So I am coming to talk to you guys today about two things: fiance visa and spouse visa. The reason why I'm doing this is because I have a few people who have asked me which one is best or which one is faster or is better to choose. So um, yeah, and that is the reason why I'm choosing to make this video and talk about it, give my insight and my opinions. So this video is only and solely based on my based on my opinions. It is not a legal advice, and I'm not advising anyone. There are few requirements that you have to meet in order for you to be able to bring your fiance in the US. First, you have to be a US citizen, since both of you have to be able and freely to marry, meaning that there is no one is in a relationship, no one is married to another. So and the third one, you have to prove that the marriage is bona fide, is legit, there's no fraud in it. And also the fourth, you have to be able to marry in the US. And also the fifth requirement is that the US citizen has to meet certain income requirement. And also the next thing is that both parties have to meet at least once within the 2 past years. So that's super important. You have to at least meet once. So these are the few things that you will have to meet. After everything works out, you get a visa, you enter the US. You have to get married within 90 days. So after you get married, then you will be able to apply for an adjustment status. And adjustment status is when you want to apply to get your green card. So yeah, basically that's basically those are the requirement. The requirement for the spouse visa or a green card visa is that to be already married to your wife or husband. And the second requirement is that you can either be a U.S. Legal permanent resident, like you are holding a green card, or you are a U.S. citizen. So and after that, and the third, just like for the fiance visa, you both have to show that the marriage is legit, is bona fide. The reason why they stress too much about this because they want to make sure you are not trying to bring your wife here or your husband or your fiance just because for the just for the immigration benefit, like a fraud. So basically this is why they want to make sure is legit, is bona fide. So the way for you to prove that, you have to show Maria's pictures, Marines, I mean not Marines, you can show Maria's pictures or bank statement. If you have any lands or property together, you can show that. You can show joint lease. If you guys have children, that's even great. You can even show that that you have children together by showing birth certificate. So also another requirement is that you have to show that you are married. So for you to show that, to prove that you guys legally married, is by a marriage certificate. So in the marriage certificate, it has to show that the name of the two parties, the place of marriage, and the date. The petitioner also has to meet certain income requirement. If any of the party has been married before, they have to prove that the marriage has been terminated. It has been, there is no one is in a relationship, just like for the fiance visa, you have to show that the marriage has been ended. You can prove that by a divorce certificate, or if your spouse passed away, you have to show that by a deceased certificate. So basically those are the requirement. For this fiance visa, the good thing about choosing that historically is faster. Is faster than doing a spouse visa or a green card visa. Is faster. And okay, you can perhaps reunited with your fiance quickly in the US and live together. So if you want to be with your wife to be quickly, so you can just perhaps go for the fiance visa. And however, and I would say for this part, the cons are, is costly, so it could cost you more upfront than the green card visa or spouse visa. You cannot work immediately. You have to apply for a work permit, and you cannot travel outside of the US, unless you have a work, a travel permit. So these are the pros and the cons that I see, in this option. Now let's just get into the spouse visa or green card visa. So I would say for the spouse or the green card visa, the process is longer than the fiance visa. So it will take longer because you have to do all these, you have to wait for the petition to be approved, just like the fiance visa, which is the K1 visa. So for the spouse visa, you have to apply for the using I-130. After the I-130 is approved, from the USCIS, and then they will send that. For consular processing. So with that, it will take longer. You have to submit You have to submit legal, civil document. Financial, support, and then that can be sent to the nearby U.S. embassy or consulate. So and to be would be reviewed. So and if everything goes fine and smooth, then you will have your interview scheduled. So it's longer. However, the good thing about doing the fiance visa, the spouse visa, is that once everything is fine, they receive their green card and they enter the U.S., they can get the green card immediately, just about few weeks. I would say they will get the green card, and then they could start working, and they can start if they want to go outside of the US, they want to travel, they can also travel. So, right. Yeah. So that was it for today. So thank you so much for your time and for watching my video. I hope this information is beneficial to you. Please share it and and please share it so people can learn more about fiance visa and spouse visa. So yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you until next time.